What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. We got Cody here today.
What's up?
Cody, what's up, G?
Yeah.
And you just got a new beater.
I did.
Ultra clean 93 Accord. That's
One
wicked.
owner, yeah, rare, you know, unmolested Honda. You never hear that.
Well, you've molested it already. You were doing power slides behind it.
Well, yeah.
So, we actually have a guest here, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you're looking at this car, you're like, you know, pretty stock body. It's still got the pinstripes on it. It's got these, I don't even know, I guess those are Prime. They kind of look like Pro Stars. But other than that, you know, got chrome mirrors and all that. I believe it's an 84. But then you come under here, you're like, whoa, look at that.
What?
Coyote. So, yeah, but this car is actually, I got prop rods right there. Lift it up. This car is actually out of Memphis. A guy brought it to us, and we are going to be doing his cluster. He got the Dakota Digital. If you guys have not seen the 4i clusters, they're pretty sick. Hey, Cody, grab that thing, will you? I'll hold, you hold. It's that one-handed life, y'all. There it is.
Push and shove.
Look at that thing. Good God.
Fun.
Yeah, that is the 4i cluster, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, they make them for, I guess they'll fit all of them because all the dashes are pretty much the same.
That's nice.
But yeah, that is the 4i cluster. So we're going to get that wired up here shortly. But yeah, pretty sick little car's straight.
Good, yeah.
Super straight. Obviously original paint. Molding is original. Got a little blue in the molding. I dig it.
I approve.
Yes, sir. 100%. So we were actually just kind of discussing this car a little bit. And the question is, drop me a comment below. Is this a sleeper? Now, obviously it's got wheels on it, but they don't look like anything. Dover, what do you think? Is this a sleeper?
Looks like a nice little car, huh?
Yeah, it's like, I mean, you'd look at it and you wouldn't expect it to have anything under the hood.
Not at all.
You know, it's just like, if you put 10 holes back on this car, this would be the ultimate sleeper car. Don't know what trans is in it yet. But I mean, if you could ever make a Foxbody a sleeper, this would be it. You got the blue interior. Man, this freaking interior is clean. That's crazy. Look at the dash. There's no cracks on the dash. That may be replaced. It looks a little different color-wise, but not bad. I'd rock it. All right, good God. We should have built a bigger shop. It's already full. God bless. Already. Ooh, look at this. That would be, ladies and gentlemen, Lee's K member. Maximum Motorsports for the win. We just got stuff everywhere. Of course, Brian's car, you saw the first fire last week. This is that part that everybody hates. The 1,000 little details that take forever.
Just finishing up.
Yeah, just all those little annoying things that you have to do to get a Coyote Swap Fox running. Jeez Louise. Alright, so far, all the Hydro Boost lines and all that are in. Power steering reservoir, overflow tank. We actually had to swap these due to the fan he's running because there was zero room. And I got some AC stuff happening over here. Disc brakes are, well, you can't see them. Disc brakes are on the back. So, yeah, this car will actually be driving. He's taking over his stuff for the drive shaft Monday. So this bad boy will actually be driving as well, not just running. All right, so let's pull this bad boy in. Mild. So the cluster is out. That's a nice piece right there. That's a keeper. Guarantee there ain't many of those out there. So how's that new cluster gonna fit in there? Just probably bolts in like stock.
Like a stock one.
Nice. Yep, just hits all those stock bolt holes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's gonna look good.
So nice.
Super nice. And then you're gonna mount the box. You gonna do it the same place we do all of them?
I don't know. We just. That one wire, you can mount it.
It looks good in there.
So modern. Nice clean trim piece there, huh?
Oh, that looks great. All of a sudden, she's got new gauges. We gotta get a little close up here so you guys can see these. These look freaking phenomenal. You got your oil and fuel. And then of course you got your tack. Sorry about the light, guys. I know it sucks. And then tack. Water, volts. Super cool. And again, this very cool thing that we love about these clusters is the only cable you're running is this one right here. She's already installed. We're going to mount the control box probably back here behind the center stack. Wire it up. Should be ready to go. But that's a win right there. So just kind of finishing up all the wiring right here. Got to break out the wiring diagrams. But this is the thing about the Dakota digital clusters. All you do, just take your wiring diagrams, find all your, you know, like these two he's already got found and hooked up. These are your left and right turn signals. And then just hook everything up, plug all your senders in. And again, we're going to mount the box under there. But this is going to be a really cool, I'm actually kind of excited to see what the 4-eye cluster looks like, because hopefully at some point I'll have one of those. So we're going to get that hooked up, and there's a couple other things we're going to kind of help the owner out with his build and kind of get squared away. So cool little car, but she runs good. So that is what is up, guys. Alex is over there wiring up his air conditioning, and it's a cold, rainy day. Looking forward to spring to get the cars out. Dover, we got to do a cruise or something soon.
Sure.
We need to get all the cars out.
Yes.
So, on another note, I know Speed XM31 Ken has not been able to do a video, but he is on the mend. He's getting better, so shoot him a message over on his channel. Say what's up to him, and we'll be back with more updates. And Dinkins, you got your car finished, right?
Yes.
It's gonna be done.
Yes.
Good
Yeah.
go.
Yeah.
So Dinkins is good. So we're nearing number 10 done swap. It'll be awesome. All right, guys. I will catch up with you later. Smash that subscribe button, hit the like, and see you next time.